Dear students, let's study about three-dimensional shapes. After this module, you will be able to identify different three-dimensional shapes. Have you seen any three-dimensional shapes? You can see here 6 different 3D shapes. 3D shapes means three-dimensional shapes. First one is rectangular prism, that is a cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, pyramid, cube. I think these shapes are familiar with you. What is the name of this shape? This is cuboid. Can you think of any objects which are the shape of a cuboid? Yes, you can see these figures, so many figures around us are with the cuboid shape. These are cuboid shape. Next, what is the name? Cube. This is a shape of a cube and many things in the shape of cube. These are the examples of cube. All the shapes you have familiar with this one. Next, what is its name? Cone. This is the shape of a cone. Examples. This you can see 4 examples for a cone. Our cone ice cream is a best example for the shape of a cone. Next name is cylinder. Cylinder. This cylinder has 2 faces, 2 bases, and the other is in a circular form. Examples are here you can see 5 examples. Our cola bottle, then Pringles, so many examples. A flask like cylinder shape. So many examples we have seen here. Next, what is its name? This name is square pyramid. Square pyramid has a speciality. Square pyramid has a base as a square based shape. Square pyramid, one example, you can see these pyramids and all the other faces are triangular faces. The base is square. All the other faces are triangle shape. Next one is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid has a base as triangle, but square pyramid has a base as square. Triangular pyramid has a base as a triangle. Example is here you can see another one, a 3D shape. Then example before that, this is also known as tetrahedron. The other name of triangular pyramid is tetrahedron. Then here you can see some examples like pyramids, triangular pyramids also example. Then this name is triangular prism. The first and the other ends are like triangle shapes. Example is our kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. Have you seen this kaleidoscope? Triangular prism. This name is triangular prism. Both the ends are in triangle shape. Here, what is the name of this shape? It is clearly we know sphere. Our football is a shape of a sphere. So many examples here. These are the examples for sphere. Next, first one is cube. Next we have to study how many edges, how many vertices, how many faces for a cube. Listen very carefully. You count the line segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this is in the shape of a cube. So 12 line segments are there. That means 12 edges are there. Number of edges equal to 12 for a cube. Number of edges 12. Then count the vertex. Vertex means corner. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 vertices are there for a cube. And count faces. Listen the screen very carefully. Count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many faces? 6 faces. So for a cube, edges 12, vertices 8 and faces 6. Cuboid. Next one is cuboid. Cuboid is like cube. Cube here. For a cube, all the faces are equal, but in a cuboid, all the faces are rectangular shape. Cube, how many edges? 12. You count the number of line segments, we will get 12 edges are there. Then how many vertices? Same as cube, 8 vertices are there. Next, faces also 6 like a cube. 6 faces for a cuboid. Next figure is triangular pyramid. Remember, for a triangular pyramid, the base is always a triangle shape. You count the edges, you count the line segments. 1, 2, 3. This is the base. It is a triangle shape. 3. Then next 4, 5, 6. So how many edges? 6 edges. How many corners here? How many vertices? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 vertices. How many base? 3 triangles and base as a triangle, that is 4 faces for a triangular pyramid. 4 faces. Next is square pyramid. Square pyramid having a square as a base. Okay, square as a base. Here you can see one square. Also you count the edges. Yes, 4 edges for a square shape. Then triangle. Then so 4 triangles are there. So 4 edges. Total how many edges? 8 edges. How many vertices? 5 vertices. Then how many faces? 5 faces. 4 faces and a square face. Total 5 faces. Next shape is triangular prism. Triangular prism. You can see one rectangle. How many edges for here? 4 edges. Next one triangle. Second triangle. Then join. This is a triangular prism. Total how many edges? 9 edges. You count the red line segments. Then we will get 9. Then vertices. 6 vertices. Triangle 3. Other triangle also 3. Total 6 vertices. Then faces. How many? 5. Next. Here is a column. Name of shape, image, number of faces, number of edges, number of vertices. We studied these faces, edges, vertices of cuboid, square, pyramid, etc. So, cuboid image is given. Number of faces how many? 6. Number of edges? 12. Number of vertices? 8. We already studied from the above slides. Square pyramid, faces 5, edges 8, vertices 5. Triangular prism, faces 5, edges 9, vertices 6. Then triangular pyramid, faces 4, edges 6, vertices 4. Cube, how many faces? 6. Then edges 12, vertices 8. Cube and cuboid has same faces, edges and vertices. Next, one more question. What shape is your instrument box? What shape? It is a cuboid. Okay. Next, B question, a brick. The shape of a brick is cuboid. C question, a matchbox. Very simple. It is also a cuboid. A road roller. A road roller is like a shape of a cylinder. Then next one, our favorite, a sweet laddu. It is in the shape of a sphere. Okay, children, these are about our three-dimensional shapes. You identify the shape and study well. Next, you have one follow-up activity. Question is, what is the sum of 2 times greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number? Once more listen, what is the sum of 2 times of greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number? You add 2 times greatest 4-digit number with the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.